Hey everybody, it's
Kaylee and
Mariah. I'm sick.
I have a cold.
Yeah. Does it microwave part 2? Microwave. Does it microwave part 2? Peanut butter. Does it microwave in the microwave? Now we're gonna
Didn't know you were gonna hit that much.
the microwave.
Oh god.
Microwave for 30 seconds.
Do time cook.
And cook 3, 4.
Should I microwave different? Did you microwave different?
Yes. I haven't seen her in so long. Microwave!
Oh, it's better now.
Okay, so it's starting to melt. If you guys can see it.
Oh, jeez.
Now we're gonna put something else in it.
Let's put marshmallows in it.
We're gonna put marshmallows in it.
If we have any marshmallows. Oh, yeah, we do.
Oh, we have marshmallows.
We have marshmallows. I mean, who doesn't have marshmallows? We have those. How many you want?
Put in 3. 4. Oh, there, Minnie. Just take a handful. All or nothing. Just so you know.
You know what I do whenever I eat ice cream? I put marshmallows in.
I put milk in my ice cream.
I put marshmallows in the microwave, and it turns into like that marshmallow stuff. That marshmallow stuff. Marshmallow fluff.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Are we still recording this?
So, this is what happened. Melted and it actually looks pretty good. So yeah, me and Kaylee are gonna eat some of this. And then
There we go.
it actually tastes pretty good. It's hot though.
It was pretty hot.
Like it's hot.
Maybe I can sleep over at your house.
So it does microwave. Now we gotta bounce
We
like
got
a basketball.
basketball.
See you next time.